The main message is that we have to prepare to have zero emissions coming from burning fossil fuels in the second half of the century. And for that, we need to put a price on emissions, put a price on carbon. For that, we need to reduce and eventually eliminate the subsidies for the production and the consumption of fossil fuels. For that, we need to give very clear signals that this is an intent, and therefore the policy should be geared towards that. And we should also take into consideration the fact that because now we are moving into a world of relative abundance of fossil fuel, then the question is, how do we look at the consistency of today's relative abundance and the investments to move it out of the ground with the fact that we need to go to zero emissions in the future? Well, already, for example, moving to gas is good because if you're in coal, you're reducing the emissions, but that's not the ultimate. The question is, can this be a way station? Moving to the ultimate is necessary because different from the debt, with the debt, 2 or 3 good years you can pay it down. Emissions hang in there for tens, hundreds, sometimes thousands of years. So once you have the emissions, once they have occurred, you can't get them off. We have an accumulation problem.